this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2016 Jeep Cherokee North. Coming in this nice bronze coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.2-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a tow hitch, that nice little North decal. We have a dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We have roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear. We have heated door mirrors as well as mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we have that license plate bracket and that nice Jeep grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use there or on the key fob, and apparently it wants to go down. But when it's fully open, you do get plenty of cargo space. You got little holders, little hooks and doodads, hold your gear, little cord storage cubbies, more storage with your spare tire. You got a 12 volt, and to close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some gray stitching, plenty of door space. Got your own fans back here, and 110 volt outlet. Got floor mats as well. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you do get cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got floor mats up front, plenty of door space as well. You have your liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side, and you do get this gold accent along the dash and steering wheel. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 78,971 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-up steering wheel. You have your cruise control, phone, voice, all that. You have your toggle-free screen, you have modes, volume, all in the back of the steering wheel. Here we have our digital speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, stop start info, audio, messages, screen setup, and so on and so forth. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift with that same gold accent, parking brake, cup holders, more storage. You have your drive modes such as snow, sport mode, auto. We have our SD card, USB, aux, 12 volt, leather-wrapped center console with storage above, and you do get storage below with hazards and a 12 volt. We got dual climate with this vehicle, which is pretty handy. You can turn your screen off, traction, auto stop, auto start, and back. Storage in the glove compartment. We got storage above with a nice leather-wrapped accent dash, and you just do that for storage. Got the little Jeep logo. We do have a garage door transmitter, your sunglass holders. And looking here for a radio, we do get SIRIUSXM capabilities. You have your media controls, USB, aux, Bluetooth, SD card, all that fun stuff. You have your heated seats, near dimmer and settings, all that fun stuff. Any apps you may have downloaded. Your climate control, so you also get your climate up here or down there, whatever you prefer. And there's that screen off, and you can just turn it back on from there. And your phone just conveniently right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7801A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.